Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about Fud The Pug meme coin and why this can be the next 100x gem. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So Fud is a meme coin on the SUI network, and SUI network has been doing pretty decent enough for the past couple of months. So as you can see, the price of SUI network is now $1.7 and it's up by more than 17% in the past 24 hours. Now the overall circulating supply of Fud The Pug is 100 trillion, and as you can see, this is the contact address and it's on the SUI network. Now this token is officially supported by SUI Labs, and that's the reason why there is a huge potential behind this token. Now you can check the Twitter page, and as you can see, it has the funniest meme, to be honest. So I love the memes that they have created for Fud The Pug. As you can see, there are a lot of memes which are very funny. Now, once again, do your own research before investing into any crypto. And if you want to go ahead and buy Fud The Pug, then you can buy it on Mexc Global. Now, if you don't have an account on Mexc Global, you can use my sign up referral link in the description to get some juicy sign up bonus. So once you create an account on Mexc Global, all you can do is you can either transfer or buy USDT and swap it to Fud The Pug. Alternatively, if you already have a SUI wallet, so for example like this, or maybe a Martian wallet or some other SUI wallet, you can go to Turbos Finance and you can send some SUI from maybe Mexc Global or any other centralized exchange that you use. You connect your SUI wallet and you can swap your SUI to Fud The Pug. So it is this simple how you can go ahead and buy Fud The Pug meme coin. But once again, do your own research, and I personally feel that this should do pretty good in the coming bull run. And I also hold a decent bag of Fud The Pug. So this is all for this video, and in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.